A class action lawsuit against SDSU over allegations of discrimination against female athletes is moving forward.
CBS 8's Shannon Handy has more on this case and how both the plaintiffs, attorneys, and the university are responding tonight.
The female athletes filing this suit claim they received unequal financial aid, unfair treatment, and they were retaliated against. This case sets a precedent because it's the first one of its kind in the country.
This is a major victory for the women at SDSU and for women nationwide.
Arthur Bryant is a lead attorney representing 17 female athletes from San Diego State in a lawsuit claiming the university violated Title IX, a civil rights policy that prohibits sex discrimination in schools that receive federal funding. The athletes, who are part of the track and rowing team, say SDSU deprived them of more than $5.36 million in financial aid between 2010 and 2020, alleging this practice still continues to this day.
Instead of giving them their proportionate share of the financial aid dollars, it is actually depriving them of over $600,000 a year and giving the men $600,000 more than they're supposed to have.
In addition, the women say they were treated differently and retaliated against after speaking out. Bryant recalls one claim involving the track coach who allegedly told those who joined the lawsuit it was both disappointing and a distraction, adding participating in college sports was a privilege, not a right.
And after she said that, all of the rest of the track team members who had expressed an interest in being involved had said, never mind, we're not going to do anything to jeopardize our scholarships or upset our coach.
When the lawsuit was first filed, a federal judge dismissed 2 of the 3 claims. After recently refiling an updated one, the same judge ruled it can move forward, a key step towards trial. During an interview with CBS 8 last year, one of the athletes explained the goal behind this case.
Above everything else, we want women and men athletes to be treated equally.
In response to the judge's ruling, a spokesperson for SDSU denied the accusations, writing in part, "The court's ruling simply means that some of the plaintiffs' allegations meet the minimum requirements for eligibility to proceed to the next phase of the case, which is still in its infancy." The court expressly carved out any opinion about whether the plaintiffs would be able to prove any monetary damages at some point in the future. SDSU awards almost all possible scholarships permitted under NCAA rules for both its men's and women's teams, with the remaining fraction explained by legitimate, non-discriminatory reasons within SDSU coaches' discretion. If you would like to read SDSU's statement in its entirety, just log on to CBS8.com and click on this story. Reporting from San Diego State, I'm Shannon Handy for CBS 8.